Now the random product review, guys. This washing machine and its spin cycle, it just vibrates all over the floor. It does have rubber feet, but they're just not very big. So I bought these cheap things off Aliexpress. Maybe it was like $3, $4, $5 for all 4 of them. And so I'm gonna naturally put them underneath the feet of this thing, and we'll see if this thing, rattles all over the place. But first, let's see what these things are made out of. So we have a piece of rigid plastic that's gray, and then this is kind of, well, it's garbage. Look at that. Wow, that's just complete garbage. This isn't even worth reviewing. If had that not torn off, it's not even really rubbery. It's like plastic. So I don't think this would grip the floor anyways. So if you see something that looks like this, it has little ridges, these like diamond-shaped ridges all over the thing, a crosshatch pattern, an egg crate squared pattern, and also if someone shows a bottom view, there's a screw and like 3 rings here. You want to avoid this one. So this is going right into the trash. Thanks.